The single arm kettlebell deadlift. Great exercise that trains the same main movements, muscles rather, that the traditional deadlift trains, of course, the hamstrings, the glutes. But now, because we're going single arm, there's going to be a greater core, therefore rotary stability, and a greater lat integration for you to support that movement. Most people, when they're training big movements like squats or deadlifts, they run into little tweaks and issues because of their core control and because of a little bit of muscular imbalances that cause them to deviate in technique. So this is a great exercise to help you clean up those imbalances and those points and really master the movement. I'm going to go facing forward on this one. It's set up the same way we set up any other deadlift. We're going to be directly on top of that kettlebell, which helps us think about pushing that butt back to get in position. So I'm going to have that kettlebell lined up with my laces, and I'm going to find the same comfortable stance as before, somewhere between the hips and the shoulders, a stance that lets me keep the big toe, the pinky toe, and the heel firm to the ground throughout the motion. Now, because I'm going single arm, that kettlebell is going to be slightly to the side I'm going to be working on. I'm still going to think push my butt back, soften my knees until I come to the bottom. Gravity is going to pull my arm straight down, and we're going to let that happen. So the kettlebell is going to be directly below the working shoulder. I'm going to create that tension in the belly that we talked about. I'm going to think to engage my lat shoulder down towards that hip. And I should have a square hip position, even knee position, and square shoulder position here at the bottom. Opposite hand so that you can build some full body tension. Make a fist, squeeze it hard, and extend that arm out to the side. As you push through the ground, shoulders to the ceiling, we pause at the top. Again, shoulders are square, hips are square, my glutes are engaged, my quads are engaged, everything is tight, and I'm going to maintain that control as I push my butt back, soft touch to the ground, and repeat. As you get fatigued, it's real easy to start reaching to the floor on the way down, or stopping kind of askew at the top. Maintain that square position. Support yourself with that core and that lat. All reps on one side, shimmy over, hit the reps on the other side.